Many birds fly long distances every year. They travel from cold places to warmer places. This is called migration. Coastal birds migrate too. They fly over the sea and land. Their journeys are long and difficult. But these amazing birds are strong. They are built to survive these long trips. The Mediterranean shearwater is a seabird. It breeds in the Mediterranean Sea. In the autumn, it migrates to the Atlantic Ocean. It flies along the coast of Portugal. Mediterranean shearwaters build their nests on islands. They lay one egg each year. Pollution and fishing are dangers to these birds. It is important to protect them and their ocean home. The black-tailed godwit is a wading bird. It has a long beak and long legs. It breeds in Europe and Asia. In the autumn, it migrates to Africa. Black-tailed godwits make their nests in wetlands. They lay 3 to 4 eggs. These birds face habitat loss and hunting. We need to protect them by conserving wetlands. Coastal birds make incredible journeys. They fly thousands of miles every year. Their migrations are important for the environment. But these birds face many challenges. We need to protect them. We can help by reducing pollution. We can support sustainable fishing. We can protect their habitats.